Hello, this is station 4. This is triangle congruence postulates. These are not similar triangles, these are congruent triangles. And so please remember, you'll see these purple and blue posters around the room with yellow like cutouts on them. Those are triangle congruent postulates. So you'll notice that there are 5 of them. We've got SAS, side angle side, side side side, angle side angle. Remember there's angle angle side and HL, and this one's specific to right triangles. Remember there's no ASS. All right, so let's take a look here. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to label what I have. And so I'm going to go around this direction. So here I've got a side, an angle, and a side. And here I've got a side, an angle, and a side. And so this would be yes by side, angle, side. All right. And don't forget, you might have to go through sometimes and mark. Like, for example, this is an overlapping side, so you know that they're congruent to each other. So you might have to go through and actually mark information that's not necessarily given. So that's questions 1 through 4. The next type of question that you might be asked is, say what additional information is required for you to know these triangles are congruent. So I want to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. So that means that the 2 angles have to be right next to each other and then the side at the very end. Well, here's my side. And I know this angle is going to be congruent to this angle because it's a bow tie. So the other information that I need, well, if I did this angle, it would be angle, side, angle. So it's not going to be this angle. I want angle, angle, side, which I did wrong on your paper. So I'm going to have to cross that off. So this is the side I'm going to need, and this is not this one again, because that would be angle, side, angle. I want this one here, because then I'll have angle, angle, and a side. So I need to know that angle J is congruent to angle P. So go ahead and change that on your paper, if it already hasn't been done so. So here again, we need to prove that these 2 are congruent by HL. Well, we know that this side is going to be congruent to each other. But what we're looking for is this side here and this side here. We don't know the hypotenuse, so we're looking to make sure that the hypotenuse is also congruent, being that we have a leg. That's congruent. All right. On the back, this is where you just have to state the theorem or postulate that proves that they're congruent. And so don't forget about the bow tie, vertical angles, and overlapping sides are congruent. So if we look at number 9 here, we have a right triangle, and so the hypotenuse is here, and the hypotenuse is here, so that has to be congruent. And then we have a leg and a leg, so we can state that yes by HL. Because they are right triangles, all you need is a hypotenuse and a leg to prove, because you already know that angle essentially is congruent as well. All right, so good luck with this. Again, if you need extra help, you may look online. Triangle congruence postulates, it'll be there. You can go on IXL, it's in geometry, or you can ask. And there's posters around the room to help you as well.